Not all of the universe's strangest and most terrifying places exist in the vastness of space. Some of them are right here on Earth, hidden beneath miles of crushing water, in a world of perpetual darkness, the deep sea. Beneath the waves, in the coldest, darkest depths, life has taken on forms more bizarre and chilling than anything found on land. Down here, where sunlight never reaches, where the pressure is immense, and where temperatures hover just above freezing, creatures have evolved in ways that defy logic and challenge our understanding of biology. Some have developed enormous, light-sensitive eyes that scan the darkness for the faintest movements. Others have abandoned eyes altogether, navigating by touch, vibrations, and even electricity. Some creatures glow with an eerie, otherworldly light, their bodies pulsating in ghostly blues and reds, using bioluminescence to lure unsuspecting prey, or to send warnings to potential threats lurking nearby. And then there are those whose very existence seems like something out of a nightmare, with teeth like needles, mouths that unhinge to swallow prey whole, and bodies so transparent they seem almost unreal. But what is it about these deep-sea horrors that unsettles us so profoundly? Is it their grotesque, alien-like appearance, their ability to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth? Or is it something deeper? An instinctive fear of the unknown, of the vast, inescapable darkness that lies beneath the surface. Tonight, we dive into the abyss to uncover the most mysterious, most terrifying, and most mind-bending creatures lurking in the deep. Brace yourself. The further we go, the creepier it gets. One such adaptation to deep-sea life is seen in the predatory tunicate. This creature belongs to the Acidiaceae family, commonly known as sea squirts, which are typically stationary filter feeders living in shallow waters. However, the predatory tunicate inhabits much deeper regions, ranging from 600 to 1,100 meters, and possibly even deeper. These tunicates may not be as terrifying as the big fin squid, but they are equally bizarre. They resemble an eyeless sock puppet with an open mouth, a design that serves a crucial purpose: catching prey. As small invertebrates and crustaceans drift by, they sometimes find themselves inside the tunicate's open mouth. The mouth then snaps shut, trapping the prey and slowly digesting it over time. This feeding strategy is also employed by an entire family of deep-sea organisms known as carnivorous sponges. These creatures start appearing at around 200 meters, become common at 400 to 500 meters, and dominate the hadal zone below 6,000 meters. Unlike their shallow water relatives, which are filter feeders, carnivorous sponges use tiny spears and hooks to trap small swimming creatures. They wait for ocean currents to sweep prey into their spines before consuming them. The vampire squid has 4 arm pairs with finger-like tendrils called eerie, plus 2 long retractable filaments. It sits practically motionless at depths of 600 to 900 meters, slowly collecting marine snow on its mucus-laden filaments and consuming it. Scientists were surprised to discover that marine snow has a relatively high nutritional value, yet the vampire squid has a very low metabolism, much lower than any other cephalopod of a comparable size. This energy conservation strategy allows it to survive in the deep sea with minimal effort. However, as you descend deeper into the ocean, cephalopods become even more terrifying. The genus Magnapinna, or the big fin squid, is believed to be the deepest occurring squid genus, with sightings recorded as deep as 6,212 meters. This makes the big fin squid the only known squid to occupy the hadal zone, the deepest region of the ocean. Their arms and tentacles can be up to 8 meters long and are often held at unsettling right angles, giving the appearance of elbows. Additionally, their translucent shimmering mantles make these creatures appear almost otherworldly. Little is known about the feeding behavior of big fin squids. Scientists speculate that they may use their long arms to drag along the seafloor, grabbing whatever edible organisms they encounter. Alternatively, they might passively catch food such as zooplankton or bits of marine snow. In an environment devoid of plant life to form the base of the food chain, being a detritivore is just one of many survival strategies. In fact, numerous organisms that are herbivores or filter feeders in shallower waters transition to carnivorous lifestyles in the deep sea. Shallow water sponges filter feed on bacteria and phytoplankton, and are even harvested as shower loofahs, due to their porous body's ability to hold and form soap bubbles. However, carnivorous sponges are anything but gentle. Covered in tiny spears and hooks, these sponges passively trap small creatures that drift into them. The harp sponge, with its long rows of spines, and the ping-pong tree sponge, with its bulbous spheres, are particularly effective predators. These stationary hunters simply wait for unsuspecting organisms to be caught in their spines before feasting on them. Despite the prevalence of passive carnivores in the deep sea, active hunters also thrive in this extreme environment. While some creatures use bioluminescence for predation, others use it for camouflage, a strategy called counter-illumination. By emitting light from their bellies, these creatures obscure their outlines against the faint light filtering down from above. However, some predators have evolved ways to detect prey using counter-illumination, and one of the most extraordinary examples is the Macropinna microstoma, or Pacific barrel-eye fish. This fish has enormous tubular eyes directed upward, allowing it to spot prey silhouetted against the dim light from above. These eyes are encased inside a transparent, fluid-filled dome, which protects them while allowing for excellent vision. Scientists were initially puzzled by how the fish could effectively hunt, since its tiny mouth pointed in a different direction than its eyes. However, further research revealed that the barrel-eye fish can rotate its eyes forward, granting it a remarkable 75-degree field of vision. For comparison, human eyes can only move about 45 degrees. This unique adaptation enables the barrel-eye fish to keep its prey in sight at all times, even as it tilts its body vertically to snatch food swimming above. With such evolutionary innovations, deep-sea creatures continue to amaze and baffle scientists, proving that life in the ocean's darkest depths is both terrifying and fascinating. The deep sea is a world unlike any other, a place of darkness, pressure, and cold, where evolution has taken life to its strangest and most extreme limits. From bioluminescent hunters to transparent predators, from creatures with impossibly large mouths to those with no eyes at all, the mysteries of the abyss continue to astound and unsettle us. It is a realm so alien, so unforgiving, that it almost feels like another planet, one lurking just beneath the surface of our own. That means there are vast, uncharted territories where undiscovered life forms may be lurking in the shadows, evolving in ways we can't even begin to imagine. For every answer we uncover, a dozen new questions emerge. Why do so many deep-sea creatures have an almost nightmarish appearance? Is it simply a matter of survival, or is there something far more mysterious at play? As technology advances and our ability to explore the deep improves, who knows what else we might find waiting in the abyss? One thing is certain, the deeper we dive, the stranger and creepier it gets. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mysteries from the deep. Have you ever wondered what undiscovered horrors might still be lurking beneath the waves? Let us know in the comments which deep-sea creature fascinates or terrifies you the most. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and beware the depths, because sometimes the unknown is far scarier than anything we've already seen.